Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You want to go that way? You want to go that way? Oh. Easy. 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 Come here. Come here. Come here. Easy. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Easy. She's so hyper until we get to the end of the road down there. Then she'll calm down. Easy. Oh, we're almost there. Easy. Oh. Okay, calm down. Wait, don't go. Still so excited, but watch. The moment I say it's time to go home, she's gonna start slowing. She's gonna like not want to go. Callie, let's go. Let's go home. Come on. And watch. Look at the slack in the road. No longer pulling. Oh, she's looking back. She's like, oh, I want to go that way. Let's go home. That's enough. That's enough. Let's go. Look at the slack. Let's go home.